Hello, plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're always blooming with excitement. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to dive headfirst into the captivating world of hydrangeas and learn how to keep them happy and hydrated throughout the sizzling summer season. So, grab your watering cans and let's get started. Behold the glorious hydrangea. With their vibrant colors and fluffy blooms, they're like the divas of the garden. But just like any celebrity, they require a little extra care during the summer to stay dazzling. So, let me share some tips to keep your hydrangeas thriving and looking fabulous. First things first, folks. We need to protect our hydrangeas from the summer sun. Think of it as providing them with their own little VIP shade lounge. There we go. A tiny cabana for our plant superstar. Now, they can enjoy some cool shade while sipping on some hydrangeas. Next up, hydration station. Just like us, hydrangeas need plenty of water to stay refreshed. But remember, it's all about balance, my friends. Now, let's talk about the H word, hydrangea haircuts. Pruning is essential for our fabulous plants, but timing is everything. To keep our hydrangeas flourishing, we need to give them a little boost. Meet their best friend, fertilizer. The moment we've all been waiting for, the blooming extravaganza. Hydrangeas come in a kaleidoscope of colors, from pretty pinks to lovely blues and everything in between. But did you know that some hydrangeas change colors like magical chameleons? It's like having a mini fireworks show right in your backyard. Here is the summary of treating your hydrangeas in summer. Importance of providing shade to protect hydrangeas from the summer sun. Emphasizing the need for proper hydration, while sharing a funny incident of mistaking a watering can for a coffee mug, highlighting the significance of pruning and the importance of timing, introducing fertilizers as hydrangeas' best friends for promoting growth, showcasing the variety of colors and the mesmerizing color-changing ability of some hydrangeas. Before we say goodbye, I want to remind you that hydrangeas thrive on love and care. Show them some extra affection, and they'll reward you with breathtaking blooms that'll make your neighbors green with envy.